Iman is low, the dunya hurts you easily. It's easy for the dunya to hurt you. You know, someone's hurt you, you got a heartbreak, you're there crying for days, you got a cold heart, you want to get revenge on people. This person's done this to you, so you're going to do it back. You spend your whole life chasing them, but it doesn't fill you with contentment. But if your Iman is high, and you trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you say Alhamdulillah for whatever has gone, you realize that Allah's blessings were bigger, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved you from something that could have harmed your soul. Nothing in this world will faze that person. No hurt will be able to even touch them. Yes, I know you will be hurt, you'll be disappointed, but after like 24 hours, you're good to go. Everything is better for that person, because they know that their Lord will save them. They know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there for them, and that whatever situation Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plans for them, they know that they will get through it, they will power through it, and that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward them immensely.